Hello and thank you for watching. In this video what we're going to cover is how to make a module position for a Joomla rendered Artisteer template. So to go over that real quick, if you're not familiar with what Artisteer is, it is a interface to create layouts and templates for a lot of popular open source programs like Drupal, WordPress, Joomla, CodeCharge Studio, .NET Nuke. And like I said, a question I've been getting lately with especially the Joomla end of things is how can we turn this area up here into a module position? Because if you know anything about Artisteer currently, is if you have this layout here where the header picture's at, then when whatever you put up here, the headline, the slogan, or any logo, it renders this entire thing down to an unlinkable picture, and sometimes people want to change that. So the first thing you want to do, and there's many ways to do this, but this is a quick way I've discovered to do it, so I'm just going to share that with you. But the first thing you want to do is you want to say no header, just menu, okay? And you might also want to remove any offset you have from the top to make it look like this, to where it's all hunched up to the top here, okay? And presuming that you've done your work and this is a template layout you like. I don't know if I like the colors. Let's change the colors around. Okay, we'll just take this next one, whatever it is. Oh, maybe not. Okay, so let's say we're going to use this one, okay? Basically, here's what you do. When you go to render it down, under the export option here, okay, you're going to find your folder path that you want to download it to, and I'm just going to pick my desktop here. And the trick is you want to export it as a folder, okay? Typically, if you just want to upload it directly into your Joomla template, that's fine. You can export it as a zip. But we're going to make two little changes here to make that top area a module position. So you're going to choose export as folder, and we're just going to call this test. And I'm going to go ahead and export it. Next, what you want to do is you want to go find that folder that you just exported and open it up. And here it is, okay? All these files right here is what that Artisteer program just created. And since this is a rendered Joomla file or template, then all these files and folders are structured the Joomla way. So this is why you can upload it directly into your Joomla installer and everything works. So the two things we're going to want to change is this template details, this XML document, and the index.php file. Okay, we want to address only those two files. So the first thing to do is to open your template details file. Okay, and you really don't need any special editor for this. You can use a text editor like Notepad or something, but what you want to get to is the very bottom, okay? And you want to copy this last position here. It says user 3. Alright, then hit enter and hit paste. And take that pasted user 3 and call it logo. Okay? That's the first step, and then save that document. Then the next thing you want to do is go back and open up this PHP file. Okay, and it looks like this. Now, I know it can look kind of confusing, however, here's just the simple way to do it. You see all these nice classes here in this block. Well, underneath of it, okay, there's a JDoc include statement, and it says name equals user 3. Just go ahead and grab that one and copy it, and then go right up here to where it says div id equals art main, and hit enter to make a line after it, and then paste that code under there, select the user 3 and name it logo, and then save it. Okay, and that's all you got to do. Then you back out of this to get to the folder itself. So here's the test folder. Again, here's the files. I just changed that index.php and that XML file. And I'm going to right click, and I'm just going to use whatever zipping tool I have, and I'm going to zip that file up. And there you go, and there's the zip file that you'd be uploading to your Joomla website. So let's go do that right now. Of course, I have other videos about Joomla, but assuming you have logged into your Joomla, you'd go to your installer, you'd click Browse, you would find your zip file that you made, and you'd upload it. Once you get a successful upload, you'll go to your template manager, And there it is, test test. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and make that the default. Now what I'm going to do is go to my module manager. Now on this website I've actually already done it, okay, but I'll go ahead and show you. What you do is you go and you create a new module and you select custom HTML. Alright, and I've already done that here, and I've named this module logo, and you'll notice that the logo position now appears in the module positions in addition to the other normal module positions that come with an Artisteer rendering. Okay, you got banner 1, banner 2, but there is logo in alphabetical order underneath left. And I'm not going to show the title. I am going to show or tell it to be enabled. I want it to show on all pages. And I've created a table with the table tool and put the logo in here and the information on the right hand side. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and hit apply. And when we view that on the front end, there is my logo and there is my address. Now clearly it's a little bit wider than the template, but that's okay because I can go in there and I can adjust that pretty easily. I don't know, maybe it was a 900 pixel width template, I'm not sure. And there we go, that kind of cinched things up. But that just shows you how you can make that now a module position. And if we view our module positions, you'll see logo, and there it is, up there at the top left. And that allows me to place any logo I want and also make it linkable. You know, that's what I've done here, is I've just made it linkable with the WYSIWYG editor and made it point to the index page. So now, no matter what page that is on, people can click the logo and get back to the home page. So that is a quick and dirty way, really, to get you to have a nice, flexible logo module position on the top of an Artisteer template that renders to Joomla. Now, if you want to do that with the other platforms like Drupal or WordPress, it's a little bit different steps, but I just wanted to go ahead and address this question for those who are Joomla fans. This is a pretty quick way to do that. So hope this helped, and thanks for watching.